I did not speak and say this specific name. This is a specific name that I had no reason to write. I did not write, and I was not speaking, and I did not make that sentence that you made, controlled, and set up, and spoke, and beat me and my innocent sons and daughters for it. That piece of paper is also something you set up, controlled, and you wrote. No, it was not. It was nothing from the past. So all my conditioner is pouring out like water. All of it. Because you wanted it. They don't know how you want and steal and replace my stuff with disgusting, stink stuff, dirty stuff, stuff with holes in it, because you want it. You want it because it is you feeling like that I have something better than you, something new. When you know that you committed this heinous crime, you still are committing this heinous crime. You still are beating my sons and daughters, which I have never beat, left bruises on, left slap marks on, left welts on their bodies. No, you beat my sons and daughters. You stole them and you beat them. And so were yours. I cannot wait till you get yours in front of your nation. In front of your nation, witch. You ugly, evil, lying bastards. Like you said, you gained this whole nation. You quote his words. You quote Jesus and what he is saying about a man gaining this whole nation. What does he say? You got it. You got this whole nation. And I cannot wait till you get in front of this whole nation. In front of it. You are controlling my right and left hand. It don't matter. It does not matter. And I cannot wait because you are gonna stand in front of calling out your sin, your crimes, while being brutalized like you did to my innocent sons and daughters. Knowing they was not around when you created, controlled your own heinous crime. You're repenting to yourself. You are repenting to yourself. You are asking forgiveness for your own self. You are saying, God, it is directed back into your own ears. You are evil. You are the most wicked, evil. It's disgusting. It's lying people. evil. Y'all are evil, appear evil. And you lie nonstop. You lie nonstop. You lie to the nation even right now. You lie. You are a liar. Down to you making, creating, controlling sex, saying that you can't control sex with someone knowingly knowing that you're in their life. There is nobody in this room with me. Nobody. You are so disgusting. You commit murders, and I have never conspired to, never thought about it, never plotted and planned to kill a murder. I know what Jesus' law says. I would never, ever do that. Never. Even though I did not do what you are saying, but what you are saying is a severe lie, and it is far from murder. Far from it. But I know what you have made me look like and sound like. And it's something I would never say, something I have never done, something I have not thought about doing. You are evil. You are a liar. You lie. Everything that comes out your mouth from beginning to end onto your next lying sentence is a lie. You men sure do. I just am not revealing and speaking the truth on how you nasty, disgusting, lying bastards saying that you had sex with me. How you are loose, how you are pure evil, how you are severely, extremely lied. You're too evil. You are the devil. And I pray to God that this nation falls and opens their eyes and realizes that you are really a demon, a full-fledged devil walking on God's green earth. You are also a low-life devil. You are Satan himself. Yes, you are. And you confess that you are Satan and what you're going to do about it. So I'm already doing something that you ate, something that you wish that you can tear from me, something that you wish that I did not serve and believe it even in my past life. Yes, it does kill you inside and out. To the point where you had to make false videos of me looking like I'm worshiping you, serving you, thinking about you.